What's up, guys? You're watching another video. Today is day pretty much 1 in Miami. Today's gonna be super fun. I cannot wait. We're about to go link up with my boy Lambo Raul right now. Super excited. Raul has a crazy car collection. Literally, his Instagram is Lambo Raul because he has a freaking SVJ. He has a Bugatti that he just picked up and a bunch of other crazy cars. I think SF90s and bro, the car collection is insane. And he's super young too. I think he's younger than me, so a lot of motivation. So dope to have that connection with him. And I'm excited to just link up and learn some things from him and, you know, just get inspired, bro. To see these cars in person and see that it's achievable, see that he can make these goals happen. That's how you know it's possible, guys. You gotta set your mind to it and work your ass off, literally. If he can do it, we can all do it too, guys. So we're waiting for the Uber right now. About to Uber to his place. Maybe you guys can find some motivation in this vlog. You guys will see once we get there and you guys see the car collection and the garage. It's literally like a fantasy factory for car guys. It's insane, bro. There's so many cars in there. His dad has a crazy Ferrari collection too. So you'll see right now. We went there last time in the vlog, so some of you guys might be familiar with the spot, but we'll see. The first thing we see, freaking Raul, bro. My guy, how are you?
Chilling, bro.
Good?
Come inside?
Yeah. Well, we made it. My boy Raul, as soon as we hop out the Uber, he's pulling up with the Bugatti. Perfect timing. Look how crazy this car is. Bro, this is insane.
Yeah, it's crazy.
This is ridiculous, bro. What's up? How are you?
Chilling,
Good?
bro.
Not good? Guys, look at all the carbon. It's hard to see on camera. It looks black, but it's full carbon. Oh my God, dude. You can see the whole engine. 1,500 horsepower.
It's crazy, bro.
I was asking her, what do you think, SVJ or Bugatti? But he said there's no comparison, bro. I know you really can't. SVJ is my dream car though, but this also is like a dream car. What are you gonna get after this? What's the next goal? Yeah, that would be crazy. We saw one. I was telling him right now. We literally just saw another Bugatti. 2 Bugattis in one day. Raul's gonna take me for a ride in the Bugatti. This is gonna be so sick. My first time ever in a Bugatti. Probably the most expensive car I'll ever be in, I swear. It's so beautiful. I'm so glad that we're able to do this. Bro, this car is so nice. It's literally like a piece of art, bro.
Yeah, it is.
I don't even want to sit in it. Oh!
It's super simple on the inside. I don't think.
Oh yeah, it is, huh?
Would expect, yeah. Like Bugatti did that to keep the interior as timeless as possible.
Yeah.
Because all of the computers and screens on the cars age very quickly.
Yeah.
Like on my SF90, bro, everything is digital. In a few years, it's gonna look old. The car is already 4 years old.
Yeah.
You would think it's a car.
Bro, it looks brand new. Damn, it's carbon all inside too, guys.
Yeah.
Everything.
Yeah, if it's not carbon, it's like leather.
Holy crap.
Bro, it sounds insane too.
Bro. I can't believe I'm in a Bugatti right now, guys. It's the first time I've ever been in one.
Just wait till I do a pull, bro. But it's actually crazy.
Even that felt crazy. We barely got in it. Damn. It's so crazy to me, bro. I can't believe you have this. Oh my God. Wow. Dude, it sounds crazy.
Yeah, bro, it sounds like a boosted car. Like it sounds like a fucking boosted Supra with like a 98mm turbo. It's actually wild.
So these cars have 4 turbos, guys. A quad turbo, right?
Yeah, it's quad turbos. I don't know exactly like how the quad turbo system works, but from driving it around for a few weeks now, like down low, when it feels like it's down low, you have 2 different turbos for like the lower RPM range, and then all 4 turbos come in at the higher RPM range, and you start feeling more boost coming into the car, which is actually crazy. And the car's actually super comfortable.
Yeah, it's cool.
Unlike people, yeah. People tell me all the time, oh, how does it drive? And it's like, bro, it just drives like any other car, to be honest with you. The only difference is, obviously, the fucking 1,500 horsepower quad turbo W16, dude, which is wild. Oh, this car's ass on gas, bro.
Really?
Horrible.
Every day?
I took my wife out to the beach to go to dinner. So we went to the beach and back, bro. That's half a tank gone.
No way.
Half a tank gone. Especially if I'm like doing like pulls and stuff. 100%, bro. Shit's horrible.
So sick.
Bro, it's crazy, bro.
Yeah, the sounds are sick.
The turbos.
It's literally perfect.
Yeah, literally, bro. Like you can't compare it to anything.
God damn. And I saw your Instagram. You're saying State Farm is the only.
Yeah, so when I called State Farm, I was like, oh, okay, I want to insure a Bugatti Chiron Sport. Like, okay, blah blah blah. bro, I had to wait like 2 hours, or not over the phone, but he's like, okay, let me call you back, because the agent that I'm working with at State Farm had to go through corporate, and then corporate had to actually approve me getting this car insured with them, because the guy was telling me like, bro, like out of the 100 years that State Farm's been in business, this is the first time that I insure Bugatti. And the guy that I was speaking to handles like the State Farm of the entire East Coast.
Bro.
So it's the first Ferrari that he's, or first Bugatti that he's insured on State Farm. The dope thing is too, State Farm actually appraised the car a lot higher than what it's actually at. They appraised the car for 4.5 million, and I ended up getting, and the sticker is actually 3.8 million, which is insane.
That is sick.
Yeah.
How much is insurance on this?
Bro, you wouldn't, people.
I want to know.
Bro,
I saw your comment.
Yeah, bro. People were like, "Oh, he's paying 10,000 a month. He's paying fucking like 200,000 a year." And I'm like, "Bro, what?" Like people are tripping, bro. I'm paying $900.
Damn, that's not that bad. I would have thought something crazy too.
No, $900.
That's not bad. $900, guys.
Yeah.
Insure this.
It's because I just turned 25 in August. I hadn't gotten tickets in quite some time, and I threw in the rest of my cars.
Yeah, that's
so
cool.
Like all said and done with my entire car collection, I'm paying like $2,500 a month in insurance, and that's full coverage for the Bugatti, the SF90, the SVJ, my Cullinan, and my wife's G-Wagon.
Bro, that's not bad.
$2,500. It's nothing, bro.
Yeah, those cars are insane.
Yeah, I know. It's nothing, bro. You're talking about like well over like $6.5 million in cars. $2,500 a month.
Bro, it's scary driving this car. I seen that car getting too close. I was like, bro, don't even get close.
The only thing that ever has me concerned is when I come to a stop at a light and I don't see the guy behind me slowing down. He's on his phone.
Oh,
like this.
yeah, that's just
That's
so
what
scary.
scares me.
Can't trust no one getting around this car.
Bro, I know you've seen the videos online of people recording other cars.
Yeah, that.
Because they're distracted, they hit the actual
Bro, it happens
car.
all the time.
I know, bro.
All the time, bro. Even with me, like people will like notice the GTO and shit.
Yeah.
And they all want to record. I'm like, bro, be careful.
Yeah,
in my car.
That's the only thing that gives me anxiety.
I bet with Bugatti, everyone records something.
Anything else is just like, bro, this car's braking capabilities is actually insane too, so I'm never worried about stopping or anything.
Yeah.
It's the other people that are around me that give me anxiety.
25 years old.
Yeah.
You're crazy, bro. Like,
this car picks up too quick, bro.
yeah, sick.
It's just so fast, bro.
I feel like I would drive it all day.
Bro,
I wouldn't even get out of it.
It's hard for me not to drive it all day, bro.
But he also has SVJ, guys. SVJ is literally my dream car.
Yeah.
That's the only car I want. I feel like I'll be happy forever.
Yeah, and I've been abusing my SVJ recently because I had to send out my Ferrari to DME tuning up in Jersey because the guys that I installed the exhaust with, they basically like fucked up the car.
Yeah.
So bro, now I had to send the Ferrari all the way out to Jersey. They have to fix they have to retune the car. Then they have to fix the DSR motors in the back. Cause I didn't know this, but the SF90 has like a little wing that comes down. It doesn't really go up, but it comes down.
Damn.
For downforce, I guess, which is weird. But the motors on them broke, so it's like I'm going through a whole mission just trying to get the car back because I tried installing an exhaust. If you ever heard a stock SF90 compared to one with an exhaust, like,
quiet, huh?
bro, you would never want an SF90 to not have an exhaust.
Well, the thing that's sick, I saw one on Instagram where they could just turn off the motors.
Yeah.
Silent, and then they open the exhaust up.
Literally, bro, it's a hybrid.
Bro, it picks up so fast.
Oh, we lost traction there.
I know, I felt it.
That's wild, bro. And with this car, it's weird. Every time you go above like 90 miles an hour, the windows automatically come up.
The windows?
Yeah, the windows.
Damn, that's crazy. You guys, like, it has like 300 miles per hour on the dash.
Literally, bro. It has 300 on the dash. That's what's crazy. It even has a horsepower gauge here too. Just wild.
You guys, like, it has like 300 miles per hour on the dash.
Literally, bro. It has 300 on the dash. That's what's crazy. It even has a horsepower gauge here too. Just wild.
Yeah, I'm sure this is like everybody's dream car. It's so sick to be inside of it.
Yeah. Like imagine, bro, before you pulled up, I have put a full tank of gas and I've already dumped probably a quarter. Bro, shit's so bad with gas, bro.
That is crazy.
Yeah, it's when you do those full throttle pulls, like it just eats up gas. If you do like a full 300 mile an hour run, bro, in 10 minutes, the car will be out of gas and you're gonna have to replace the tires.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yeah, bro. The turbo noises are my favorite.
Yeah.
I don't care for this car not being like super loud, but the turbo noises make up for it.
Yeah, because the exhaust isn't that loud, but
No,
you can
it's not.
hear all the turbos. Sick. Can you even make it louder? They sound exhausted.
Yeah, they do. Well, I'm not doing it. Fuck that.
Look, we're back in the garage. I swear it's like the fantasy factory for car guys. The coolest garage collection ever. SBJ right there, bunch of Ferraris. That one's ridiculous, bro. That one's ridiculous.
The 812, yeah. I think that's one of 12.
One of 12 in the world, bro. Damn, so sick. I'm telling you guys, for sure motivation just walking in here and seeing this. My boy's 25 years old, bro. How crazy is that? What are we doing? I know. It's such a crazy collection. And him and his dad both have SVJs together. Look at the SVJ, guys. My freaking dream car with the carbon wheels. Look at that. Full carbon wheels. Carbon everywhere. Matte white paint with the white interior. Dude. These cars are on another level, bro. And you got even more over here. I see the GTR.
Yeah.
That was yours, right?
Mine.
Yeah, I remember.
I did it to my sister.
Damn. You know how I blew my GTR transmission?
I've blown it too.
I need to get my GTR back, bro. This thing's nice.
The Turbo S?
Turbo S?
Yeah, bro.
Oh, there, bro. I didn't even see it. How do you like that?
I haven't driven it yet.
No? Dang, I love these Porsches, bro.
Bro, it's crazy.
Yeah, it looks like a race car on the street.
Aesthetically, it's actually crazy.
It's like one of my new favorite cars.
Yeah.
It's so nice. The new GT3 RS, guys. The big old wing, all the aero. Damn. Bro, I literally wouldn't know what's in the drive every day. I swear. Like, what would you do, bro? So crazy.
One that's your favorite, and then that's the one you just take. This is a daily driver.
Yeah,
Turbo
daily.
S, yeah, 100%.
They're fast as hell, bro.
This show got that SVJ a lot of problems.
Yeah. I'd probably take the SVJ out of everything.
Yeah. I mean, the SVJ is still better, yes.
Really want to show you guys this again. It's literally the sickest garage car collection ever, bro. Everything in here is just so sick. I literally live in here, bro. I know. And the gym.
Yeah. I don't know what we're missing. I think we're just missing more McLaren.
Bro, that shit's so sick.
Look at the headlights, bro.
Bro, none of us would know how to act, bro, if we got that for a day.
I know. Bro, everyone just looks at you driving. Another cool thing that I thought was sick was the faster you go, the windows automatically roll up.
Oh, that's
like
tight.
for aerodynamics, like to go fast, dude. In orange though? Imagine,
Bro. In orange?
imagine all carbon and orange accents.
Is he single? Ah.
It's just hard
Bro, that
though.
shit is beautiful, dude. Full carbon fiber.
The turbos, like everything when you're driving it.
How'd it feel?
You literally like, oh, it hurts your stomach, bro. It just pulls like 4 turbos?
Yeah.
Bro. Look at us. Look at this shit pull up.
Look, bro. I'm gonna tell him to go like.
All right, guys. Andrew Tate, G. Top G. That was insane. Shout out to Raul. Always, bro. Literally always welcoming me to like go vlog the car collection and kicking it every time I come down here. So it's so freaking sick. We literally been following each other for so long. So it's dope to like come kick it with them. I really wish I lived closer so we could kick it more. Because it would be so sick just to be around these cars and the mindsets, everything, bro. Damn. These are the people you need to put yourself around, I swear.
I'd have different girls every single day.
Bro, you guys are so dumb. But look how fast it goes, watch. Bro, you see once it starts going?
That thing flew.
Once it starts going, it's ridiculous, dude.
Crap, bro.
So sick. Anyways, that was dope. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that little segment. We literally drove in a Bugatti, bro. It's surreal. It happened like, can't believe it. I literally can't. I was a little speechless, bro. Just to be in that car. Again, huge shout out to Lambo. Go follow him on Instagram, YouTube, all that good stuff. Again, it's just straight motivation, bro. And it's dope to have, it's dope that he really fucks with me. Like when he first told me that he watched my videos before, I was like, what the heck? That's crazy, bro. Now we back in the Uber.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.